Huh?
What's up, Dang Gang? It's your boy Dame Dash, and we're back with another video for y'all.
Yeah, I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss. Oh, yeah. Across the room. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, oh. I know you're trying to leave, but excuse me, miss. I see the last dance for you.
Hey, y'all, did you miss me? You didn't even look at the camera, girl.
Sorry.
How y'all doing today? Happy day.
We have Jimmy John's.
What's today?
And as you got,
Monday. Happy Monday.
And it's June 13th.
June 13th. Yes, it is. And today we have Jimmy John's.
But I can't have bread, so we have wraps. I don't even think this wrap's going to taste good.
I can't have bread either.
But why?
Because we just eating right together. Okay. So we got our sandwiches.
You have? Oh, yeah. And my one, he can't eat bread either. Wait, can Mel eat bread?
Oh my God.
Wait, Uncle, can Mel eat bread?
No. These chips right here? Oh my God, they're so good.
Okay, can we eat now?
Yeah, we can eat all this thumbnail.
Oh.
I ate one chip and got distracted. Okay. Hold on. Now, the way, you know how to eat this?
Yeah, I do. But so many onions.
Okay, wait, come on. We doing the thumbnail, Ariya? You gotta do it like that. Look at the camera, girl. Ah. I thought I put that on silent.
Well, maybe you did not.
Okay. Let me help you. How y'all doing today, lovely people? Hope y'all having a great Monday.
Yeah, you ate a single chip and you forgot.
Hope y'all having a great Monday. There you go. Alright. I'm starving. I got the gargantuan with peppers added. Ariya, see? It's not like I'm eating the legs open. This is what I'm trying to tell you. You can't eat that like a regular sandwich. You gotta eat it like this.
Yeah.
You see how you hold it? It's a little more difficult, baby. Now, and bring your close up. Okay. You go. I don't know what I was saying.
Comment below if you like Jimmy John's wraps. Because they are real good.
Oh my God. I see a lot of you guys been going to Arby's and getting that burger. Y'all, I got it again. I'm going to put the video out tomorrow. It was bomb. Oh my God. My friends are going to get it. And they loving that pink, peach lemonade.
Comment below if you like Jimmy John's. It's crunchy. Guys, and you guys know that being on a diet is at the absolute worst because I love bread. And a few days ago, I'm gonna take my Frosted Flakes. But like everyone used to say, like, I don't know, if you have you know, if you're on a diet, you must deal with it.
It's not really a diet. It's a lifestyle change. We're all eating better. I may have a little more cheat days than others because of work. But for the most part, we are eating healthier. Much healthier. To the point where Ariya don't like it.
Well, I kind of will, but...
I can't talk. I love this sandwich.
Over top of... Stop when you're done chewing your food.
I don't know what to say. Oh. What I was about to say is that the regular sandwich, I got the gargantuan. Every sandwich got a different amount of calories and stuff like that, but for the gargantuan, it's 1,000 calories for... It's 1,000 calories for the ones with the bread. And it's only 700 if you get the wrap. But this is the one with the most meat and stuff on it.
Okay. Uncle, this sandwich has a spot.
I'm gonna eat some tomato.
Okay.
You don't like tomato?
I hate them. I haven't tried a tomato in my life.
What you have?
When?
Y'all should see Ariya big sparkly dress she got on. For no reason. You got it, want me to help you?
Yeah.
Girl, stop doing that nasty stuff. What's wrong with you?
Oh, what's that piece?
It's lettuce.
Then why it tastes such like an onion?
Do it look like an onion?
I said it tastes like an onion. Okay.
What?
Name one time when I ate tomato.
I don't know. But you have. I forgot to take your onions and tomatoes out.
Uncle.
Yeah, we have to close this bottle, the water bottle in the house. If you want to order you one,
Oh my god.
use the word hot and you get 10% off at checkout. The link is in the description box below.
Can I have to keep on saying this?
Fire. The only thing though, I'm not gonna hold you. You don't stay full for long because you don't have the carbs. Ooh, excuse me. This is really good.
I'm trying to get full, Uncle.
Are you? I love it. Good, girl. This is a little
But you have a Coke?
A little lunch. You got a diet.
0 sugar? That will taste? It's 0 sugar.
Drink yours.
This is lemonade. So I can't taste it. I smashed that thing.
Are you done? Wow. Wow.
No.
You like it? You like the lettuce wrap? This is your first time having it with the lettuce.
See you later, Uncle. I'm done, guys. Coco, it's my first time ever liking a lettuce wrap.
You didn't try your pickle.
Are you positive it's not sour?
I told you it wasn't sour.
It's juicy.
Y'all, if y'all ain't been watching my vlogs, like, what are y'all doing? Like, I know there's a lot of y'all who only like to watch the eating, but my vlogs be lit, and I do cooking.
I watch your videos.
I know you do, boo-boo. And I do cooking videos over there.
Like one time, me and Like one time me and Cameron, or I think it was Ryder, were watching your videos, and you said razzle dazzle. You're like a little bit of razzle dazzle. That video.
Mm-hmm.
If you guys didn't watch that video, that part was funny because he said razzle dazzle.
My vlogs are lit. If I do say so myself.
And one time I watched when we were going on a trip. Remember to Calorie?
Mm-hmm.
I really want to go to Calorie again. When we go to Calorie?
I'm ready to go to Orlando. I'm ready to go out of town, take some trips.
Yeah. Maybe we can start tomorrow. We can start tomorrow.
I know we're going to Orlando.
But I'm ready to go to Calorie.
We already went there. What about Volcano Bay?
No, we went there a few months ago. I'm going to go there again. Wait, where is Volcano Bay at?
In Orlando.
Ew!
I'm going to go to New York, Tennessee.
Oh yeah, New York has the Eiffel Tower.
Paris.
Oh yeah, Paris.
New York got the Statue of Liberty.
I know what the Statue of Liberty looks like. I know what the Statue of Liberty looks like.
What color is it?
Green. And she wears this little crown.
What's she holding?
A torch thing. So this thing is juicy.
My birthday is exactly 30 days from today.
30 days. Happy 30 day birthday.
In 30 days.
Wait, so this is your so when your wait, so in a few months.
Next month.
Next month is Next month is your birthday, so you had dirty birthdays? Huh? You did?
30 something birthdays. I get
Dirty.
what but what I'm saying is next month on this exact day, which is the 13th.
Wait,
it's my birthday.
So May
July.
July 13th. Is it May, July?
May is May, June, July.
So 2 months?
Ariya, what is wrong with you?
Okay. Hey, I'm going. Bye-bye.
I keep telling you a month. You supposed to say 2 months? You just gonna leave me like that?
What? Bye.
Wow. She just left me. Y'all know how I feel about Jimmy John. It's good. Not I dropped something on the floor. Had to get that up. Y'all, hope y'all have a great Monday. I know the kids are starting to get out of school. Ariya last week was what? Last week? Her last day was last week. Some kids been out of school already since last month. Let me know in the comment section below. Is your kids already out of school, and what's their last day of school, and what do y'all plan on doing with the kids since they're out? I plan on trying to keep her a little active. Pool, parks, out of town. You know, try to have fun because she got cheerleading. It started in August. So, as much we can do until then, until we figure out the schedule. Okay. I love y'all so much. Oh, it's hot as hell outside. So, I don't know what we about to do. Might go to the pool, might not. But I needed this. It's 4:24 and this is my first meal of the day. Let's eat immediate fasting, right? That's what I try to do. Okay. Thank you for having me. I'll see y'all beautiful people in the next video. Wait, that was a little salty right there. I love y'all so much. If nobody told you they loved you today, I love you. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.